But which one did we just take off?
What? What's that? What's that?
I said, which one did we take off?
That's a good idea. I should take off.
Alright, today we got a call for a washing machine dryer that's not working. Look like the GFCI is damaged. So we're gonna do a quick swap.
Alright, come on, let me go test her.
So as you see, first thing first, we cut off the power. Now we about to test a known source, make sure our voltage meter working. Then we're gonna test the GFCI that we're gonna swap, make sure it's off.
You gotta put it back
Before you take out any wires, take a mental note of how they already installed. Because usually the color wires, like black or the red, is usually the hot or the live wires. White is normally neutral and green is ground. Sometimes you may have two color wires, so you don't know which one is live and which one is not. So it's always good to take a picture or a mental note. Then when you're reinstalling it, follow the instructions that come with the GFCI. It tells you exactly where to put the live wire, the neutral wire, and the ground wire.